Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't usually talk, but today I had to talk for a type of tutorial. So today is basically all about the face, all about the beauty, all about the acne, all about taking care of your face inside and out. That sounds so professional, like this. Alright, so first thing first you need is the African black soap. Mine is almost done. Like, you can either get the bottle or get the actual soap. First thing first, you need to wash your face. And then next thing we're going to use is this scrub. The scrub is so good. Wait. It's the apricot one, and it's so good. And what else? We're going to use some, of course, some moisturizer. This moisturizer, the reason why it is so good is because it don't have too much chemical in it, which is really good because you don't want to use too much things for your face, especially if you have like dry or really oily skin. You really don't know. And then last thing, of course, get some freaking coconut butter. Cocoa butter. And some coconut oil, alright? So now let me get started. I was looking for my brush thingy to help me wash my face, but I cannot find it. So I can't really find the top. I don't know where I put it. Like, I should have gotten it. Alright, so of course you're gonna need water. So I'm gonna take my little brush thingy, and what I do is I put it in here. I put some solution. Make sure your brush is super wet, and then start scrubbing your face. Start getting in the pores. But this way, feels so good on your face. And I just need to say that you do not need to use the black soap every day because it's a strong soap. You don't want to be using that shit on your face every single day because, like, coming from me, take that as a, what is it called? Don't use it on your face every day because you're going to regret it, mommy. Like, I'm not even joking. You're going to, this side is because I have a mirror in front of me to help me because, you know, make sure you get in your pores, make sure you get every... Do this for about 2-3 minutes, alright? You can use this soap like maybe twice a week at best.
So now that I'm done with washing my face, what I'm gonna do now is use the Indian clay mask because this is like the best. You know, you gotta mess with the best.
With me, I always make sure that the water is a little bit warm because it helps not only that it, you know, you already have the clay inside, but it also, you know, it's warm water, so it helps to open your pores and stuff, according to science. That's why after you use the clay, you use the same scrub. You scrub it and just leave your skin feeling great. And I'll be back.
So now, time is over. I'm gonna go wash my face and clean my face and get my stuff and get my body together, you know? And then when I come back, we're gonna get into something. Before I start with the scrub, I just want to talk about this. Let me tell you, this is my life. This is my baby. I use this almost every day. I use it 3 times a week because I don't want my face to be too dry. But I don't, honestly, when I started using this, I thought, oh, okay, so it's gonna leave my face a little dry. No, honey. This is, and it smells so good, and it just smells so good. It's so good for your skin. At this point, they need to pay me because this just turned into a commercial. But just look at it. Do you see? Like, do you see the little? Okay. Okay. And this one is almost done too. It's not almost done, but you can see, like, I literally just bought it because my last one was done. I just love the smell of it. It is amazing. No, like literally after using this, your skin, after washing it off, I mean, your skin just feels so good. It feels so much better. Like, no joke.
Now, what I usually do is leave this on for about 3 minutes. I'm gonna leave it for 3 minutes today because, you know, I'm gonna set the time. I'm gonna set the time. Can you even see? I'm gonna set the time for 3 minutes. Let me see.
So this is first, second, third. This is the fourth step that we going to use to you know, clean my face.
You guys should get this. Like, this is how it looks before I took out the top. But it is so nice. It is so good in your face. It's not like harsh, but I'm not gonna lie, it smells like strong, like some strong medicine. It's not like this little silver that I used to take when I was little, but I cannot remember the name of it. It's in my life. For about 15 minutes. Okay, 15 on the clock.
First, let me talk about the products. The soap is first. You wash your face, you know, before you start. And then you use the Indian clay mask. Is it Indian? Oh, and it is Indian. Alright. It's Indian healing clay mask for deep pore cleansing. Alright. And then you use the scrub to help scrub out the residue that was left by the clay and also clean your pores really great. And then you use the mask to add a little moisturizer to your face, and clean your face, and whatever that it is that you do. And then lastly, you could either use the cocoa butter cream, or you could just use coconut oil. Thank God there's no kids in this house, because if they were, you would have looked at me and run out the door. The best thing about all of those products are you could find them at your local beauty supply store.
I'm not gonna apply too much because I want the mask to have signs of this thing.
guys, look at my face. If I could see your face. Look at my face.
My forehead had so many dark spots. I'm gonna post a picture somewhere right here. I was doing a video and it was like so many dark spots on my face, and I was like, oh my god, where are these, like, you know, things coming from? Because I'm not really, I do get pimples, but not like that. I was like scared. I was like, oh my god, I'm shocked. Alright, let's just blame it on school. And look, if you made it this far into this video, you might as well just subscribe at this point. Alright? But thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back to my channel, even though I haven't been posting enough to keep your attention. But